At the heart of our advanced water treatment technology is ultrafiltration, an essential process that ensures the highest level of purification. By using membranes with microscopic pores, ultrafiltration effectively removes suspended solids, bacteria, and large particles from wastewater. This cutting-edge method guarantees cleaner water with every pass, providing a sustainable solution for commercial water recycling. Ideal for industries that require safe, high-quality effluent, ultrafiltration reduces the environmental impact while maximizing water recovery. Trust in ultrafiltration for cleaner, safer water every time. Take purification to the next level with reverse osmosis, our most advanced water treatment method. Using a semi-permeable membrane, reverse osmosis removes dissolved salts, heavy metals, and other contaminants, producing water that meets the strictest quality standards. This process ensures that your recycled water is free from impurities, providing you with water that is both safe and high-performing. Reverse osmosis is crucial for industries demanding the highest quality water, reducing waste and maximizing resource efficiency. Choose reverse osmosis for the ultimate in purified water solutions. With Ions Filtration Private Limited WSG Group.